What's up you guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm doing something a little bit different. My friend contacted me the other day and she said, Rich, do you mind doing a video on a rental property that I have? We're going to see a 3-bedroom home in Rancho Del Oro at $1,600 a month. That includes the gardener twice a week. Apart from that, all the bills are paid by the tenant. So without further ado, come with me, let's go and check out this rental here in Rancho Del Oro on Lake CHAPALA. Stay tuned, the video is on its way. Welcome to this 3-bedroom home rental in Rancho Del Oro. We are 5-10 minutes drive from Ajijic, heading west, close to everything. You've got plenty of restaurants, shops. You have the Tuesday organic market in this area. Just to notice from outside, we have space for 2 vehicles here, and we're going to take you into the main entrance to begin with. Each of the rooms have their own balcony upstairs. It's really nice. You have got views you've got views of the mountain and you've got views of the lake. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. You're quite high up here in Rancho Del Oro. This rental is for a long term. It's a 12-month minimum rental, just so you know off the bat, guys. Coming to this really high foyer, topped off with a boveda. I really like the stairway up as well. So it's an open concept. Really ample kitchen. So you've got another formal dining room area there at the end of the kitchen, and that takes you out onto a little patio outside where you can have your breakfast and stuff. So this could either be an office or another bedroom, because you actually have a full bathroom just through that door there. So if you're looking for a rental that has plenty of space, this could be a good option to check out. This is the downstairs bathroom that's connected to the guest bedroom. And it's quite rare in Mexico to find homes, newer homes, with a tub. Let's take you upstairs. You have 2 bedrooms upstairs, both with an ensuite bathroom. Just check out the views of the mountain. And you get a lovely view of Lake CHAPALA. Let me take you outside, guys, just so you can have a little look at the garden. So yeah, this would be great if you have a dog or a couple of dogs. You have plenty of green area for them to play around. You have this big carport you can easily put 2 vehicles in. It's covered. These are electric gates. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for coming along and checking out this rental property here in Rancho Del Oro on Lake CHAPALA, just west of Ajijic. And like I said, you've got loads of things nearby, like shops, restaurants, the Tuesday organic markets. You have one of my favorite bakeries in town, which is the French bakery, walking distance away. You have the brew house, which is my favorite place to go and have beer. So if you come down, you'll probably see me in there having a beer from time to time. Great artisanal beer, I have to say. Shout out to Corazon de Malta for brewing excellent beer. Try the pale ale, guys, that's one of my favorites. As I mentioned, the rental is for $1,600 a month, and that includes the gardener twice a week to come and look after the gardens. Everything else is up to the tenants, which will be, you know, the cost of running the house, and your electricity, your gas, which is propane here in Mexico, and your internet and phone. If you don't know this area, it's definitely a sought after area here in Lakeside. There's houses in this area that go up to the millions, you know. So it's a real mix of properties, some quite small and some quite big. This is probably a medium-sized property for the area of Rancho Del Oro. I'll leave my email down below, so feel free to contact me and I can connect you with the owners. So you can organize it with them if you want to come and see the property, or if you want to come and see it with me. Thank you all for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification button, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos. So I just forgot to mention, guys, I have a new newsletter that comes out monthly, all about the real estate business, things to do here in town, activities to get involved with, restaurants to visit, hotels to stay at, cool stuff like that. So if you want to subscribe to my newsletter, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Please subscribe, put your email in, and you'll get my monthly newsletter from now on. It's really cool. It's a new project, and I'm dedicating a lot of time to it because I really want to connect with local businesses and just share all the good vibes about living here on Lake Chapala. And there are so many great things that people are doing. There's great restaurants to check out. There's great activities to get involved with. Remember to check the newsletter out, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.